Someone wisely said that things that you buy with money must appreciate. What if I told you that we must learn to appreciate money? Because what we appreciate will appreciate, my friends. Welcome to Money Monk, presented by Muthoot Finance, and I am Babu Krishnamurthy, your financial Sherpa. Today I'm going to start with a small story. Long ago, in a kingdom lived a rich king, and in that kingdom lived also a very poor poet. The poet decided that he will visit the king to recite one of his poems, and if the king was happy, he would receive some money back in gold. That was the idea. So the king received the poor poet, and asked him to say his poetry. The poetry was very nice. The king was very happy. The king said, "Poet, please demand what you require." The poet noticed a chessboard in the hall, and he said, "My dear king, if you can give me one gold coin at the first square and double it for every square going forward, I would consider it a great gift." The king and all the courtiers burst out laughing. They said, "Poet, you should have asked for a bag of gold coins. This is too small." But the poet said, "King, I'd stick to my original offer. Please give me the same." And then the measurement started. At the first square, one gold coin was placed. At the second, two, third, four, fourth, eight, fifth. By the time they came to the 10th, it was 512, and so on and so forth. By the time they came to half the chessboard, the king's wealth had already been kind of reduced substantially. And by the time they came to the end of the chessboard, the entire kingdom's wealth had to be given to the poor poet. There are four very important money lessons that the poet has taught us through the story, friends. One is you need to stay in the game long, and you need to stay in it, and you need to start it very early. Between the first square and the 64th square, the wealth that gets generated is huge. So understand that as long as you start early and stay in the game long, you will consistently build large wealth. That's the first lesson. Second lesson, you need to do things consistently. It's not about doing this one-off. Every cell you keep adding, and which is how we need to do. Every month you need to save, every month you need to invest, and that's the way to create great wealth, my friend. Third, the poet took a risk, my friend. Instead of asking for that simple bag of gold, he took the risk of asking the king for a different model of payment. We all need to take a little bit of calculated risk. Being risk-free is not a good thing when it comes to investing. Take a little calculated risk, and I'm sure it will pay off. And fourth, being rich and appearing rich are two very different things. And the difference is that you need to do something about it. Simple things that you do on a regular basis can create huge wealth in the long term. Albert Einstein said, "The power of compounding is the eighth wonder of the world, my friends." And those who understand the power of compounding and imbibe it in their lives will create huge wealth. And those who don't understand it and don't imbibe it will play a huge debt. I hope you imbibe the habit of saving and power of compounding in your lives. I believe it is a wonder of the financial world. Talking about wonders, friends, there is a wonderful new product from the Muthoot Finance Group, which is at your doorstep, which is transparent, quick, and life-changing. I want you to check this out.
Hi, my name is Sarish. I am the zonal head for Muthoot Finance, Tamil Nadu North Zone. I'm here to explain the features of our new product, Loan at Home. So this is India's first unique product for servicing customer at customer's doorstep. When you normally apply for a loan, I mean, there are possibilities of loans getting approved, one, loans getting rejected also. And it's the time when you actually apply for a loan, it's an emergency. There is an emergency. So there is a financial emergency there. So we don't know if in case the loan is getting approved or rejected. So here is a product where there's only advantages. Advantage number one, based on the financial emergency, we provide solution at the doorstep immediately. Advantage number two, we maintain customers' interest and in terms of privacy. Advantage number three, it is done at the customer's place, customer's doorstep and customer's time. See, at the time of going to the customer's place and from the customer's place to the branch, whatever happens, the entire thing is borne by Muthoot. The advantage number four, we provide insurance to the gold. So basically, the customer, that is you, are risk-free. Yeah, when we talk about interest rates, we are very, very competitive in the market. We have the best rates available for customers. So you can definitely approach us. If you're talking about pre-closing the loan, we do not charge any pre-closure charges and you can pre-close at any point in time, which is not available in most of the banks. Over the past so many years, we've been leading in the business of finance. And the other transaction where we've been leading is your trust.
The world is changing, lots of ideas, lots of things happening around. I'm going to be sharing lots more ideas in the coming weeks at the Money Monk presented by Muthoot Finance.